Course creators are really overpaying for their LMS software. I just saw prices between $89 a month and $150 a month just to run their course. It's kind of ridiculous. I found two options here. You could check them out. They are Tutor LMS and Sensi, which are just about $179 a year, or we can even get it down to less than that depending on how we work with you guys. These platforms are second to none, and they really have great performance, and they're built, depending on how your website's built, it integrates really well. So we offer all of these services. Definitely reach out, info@perfectclicks if you guys are interested, and also watch our tutorial on how to build it as well. If you guys have any questions, leave them in the comments below or reach out to us directly.
Hey guys, so today we're building a custom LMS course that has different media from Vimeo, online sources, and some quizzes built in as well. So here's a few steps we're doing to make sure that everything is live, accessible, while still being protected from other sources online while it's on Vimeo. So first thing we did was in our course builder, we're using Tutor LMS. It's one of the best LMS platforms and plugins for building courses on WordPress. It's one that really handles a lot of the design, branding, and functionality for you, making it really easy to link up with WooCommerce and any other WordPress plugins you may be using. You can see the basics here are populated with just the stuff for the course itself, and then individual lessons, quizzes, assessments, any other modules you may have all get populated within this curriculum field here. Here you can see our first lesson built out. It's a custom module under this titled lesson. And within that course, there's two individual lectures, which are both built out as lessons, followed by a detailed quiz. When we went and added those lessons, you simply just use these modules right here to add the lesson name, content, and attach any media. Make sure if you're using videos from Vimeo, you use a custom playback time. Otherwise, you'll see these 0 hours, 0 minutes, 0 seconds, which won't render any content to your users as well. Once you're getting these videos from Vimeo, there's a few additional really important steps that you need to keep in mind. When you go to your Vimeo backend, you're going to see a few different options to share the content. You can either do it by a custom link, an embed code, or you can download and upload the video to your site. Obviously, if you're doing multiple videos, a lot of content, downloading isn't going to be an option because all of that media is going to really drain your server and slow down your site. So the two best options are always going to be copy link and copy the embed code. One issue we found with using the copy link mode is that it actually requires you to change your link privacy to public view. Even if you use an unlisted view, many LMS platforms, including Tutor MLS, won't be able to retrieve the video automatically. So instead, that requires you to put the video as public. Unfortunately, for many users like us, if you're handling sensitive paid content or important course information, you might not want the link to be public. So instead, keep your video as hidden from Vimeo. This keeps everything private on your account, but gives you the ability to embed it anywhere. Then, instead of generating that copy link, you'll simply come here to copy the embed code, and that will copy it directly to your clipboard. Once you go to upload it to the lesson as well, you can simply add it from URL and just specify that you won't be adding an external URL, but actually an embedded code. As soon as you add that in, you'll see the entire video field populate here, so you know it's confirmed. And when you go ahead to check it on your front end, you'll see those courses populating with the timestamp and the video as well. So once you have all your lesson modules and different lectures and any other assessments you may need uploaded, you probably want to finish the simple lesson off with a quiz or brief assessment. Tutor LMS also makes that functionality very well built in for you. So all you have to do is click on their quiz module here to add a quick assessment right at the end. It'll easily walk you through your titles and question options. Once you come in here, you'll see that numerous options are supported for true-false options, open-ended or short-form answers, fill in the blanks, multiple choice, and then plenty of options that are uniquely available with the Pro module as well. Make sure you put the title in the question in the title field up here, followed by any media and answers you may have, and then you simply select the checkbox to note what the correct answer is. Once all of your questions and answers are in, you can simply go into the settings and specify any parameters that you need here, especially with the time limit, feedback mode, attempts allowed, or overall passing grade. Make sure to double check that the answers are correct before saving anything. Otherwise, you could impact all your learners' journeys going forward. And then once you have all your preferred modules in, the last thing to do is update here and test it on the front end. A few quick checks on the front end. Make sure that you're logged in so that you see the full course availability. You should see media and timestamps on both of on any lectures that you have, and give them a test. Make sure all the videos are populating with the right sound, thumbnails, and any other settings you specified. Finally, you can come into your quiz here and just quickly input those answers. Make sure that everything is filling correctly and make any adjustments if necessary. Awesome. So we have our course here. If you guys are interested in using LMS for any of your educational websites or platforms, please click the link below. Also, feel free to like and subscribe to support the channel, and contact us at info@perfectclicks if you're interested in working together. See you in the next video.